Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. Before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this is the bias area now. Here. This is the bias area. But no strong bias. I'll place put option. Because there is no strong bias, market will not reverse. I can see only one green candle. So market must continue. That's why I place my trade, put option. This candle must be a red candle. Even though market is doing some panic, this candle must be red. Let's see. We see strong sellers entry. We have 5 seconds. You see, that's why I place my trade, put option. I know sellers must enter, so let's analyze another one. Here, retracement, rejection, continuation. Yes, here is the continuation. I see market reject from this level, and this is the continuation candle, and here is the pattern, uptrend, retracement, market. This is the continuation of this upcoming uptrend. You see strong bias entry. I know this is the continuation, must close above my entry point at least for one candle. You see, because I know this candle must be green candle. Now let's analyze another market. Here market is not so nice. Well, this is reversal pattern. Reversal pattern will not work. If I get higher entry point, I'll place put option. Higher. Yes, I place put option. I place put option at this level because I know definitely this reversal pattern will not work. I know it will create a red candle. That's why I place my trade, put option here. You see, this is another winning trade. So this is the end of this video. You see, I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. Here what you can see, the movement of the market is going like this, you see. So always, if you see market on the direction, try to follow the direction of the trend. That's why I place my trade, put option here. Then the next candle, the next trade is here. Yes, this is the this is the next trade here. Okay, sorry, this is the next trade. I place my trade after this. Here you see this is the reversal pattern. Market is trying to reverse. You see after pullback market is reversing. So I see here this candle is the retracement. This is the strong candle. After rejection from this white Bollinger, I place my trade call option. Then the last trade here. Here's consolidation area. We are in consolidation area. So you know, sometimes in consolidation area, especially in the direction of major trend, reversal pattern will not work, and it closes exactly at this 20 EMA with rejection. So that's why I know definitely sellers will enter, and this is the momentum of the sellers. I can see only 2 green candles, so I know sellers will enter. That's why I'll place my trade put option. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.